This is Chris from Munch, and welcome to Fast Food Fight. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine a delicious new toastie made with tasty garlic butter spread, melted mozzarella cheese, and is topped off with zesty spice. But hurry, it's only available for a limited time. $2.95 garlic bread with zesty spice. Ooh! Subway, you've done it again. Great value and tasty as always. Plus, she had a great personality. While you're watching this, make sure you flush. Cut your bread roll in half. Mozzarella, garlic salt, grate some salted butter over it, and then put it under the grill till crunchy. Put on some lemon herb pepper. Do you think I smell deliciously garlicky? Ho ho, prostitute. Not bad for under a buck. This has been Chris from Munch. See you next Thursday. Rab, Mindikas.